What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another banger for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Jump over to Instagram and follow me on my main page, man. We got a bunch of bangers coming for y'all. Tune in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another video. Back with a banger for y'all boys, man. Like y'all probably seen in the last video, it's time for us to change these brakes, man. It's long overdue. Let me see if I drop the window. Can y'all hear it right here? Probably can hear them squeaking already. But let's see. Nah, can't really hear it, but I'm gonna show y'all when we pull over. We gonna get these janks put on. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video game. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Save us some bread, save us some labor money. You know how these shops do, they love the finesses. So yeah, turn y'all back on in 1 second, man. We about to pull up to my people's crib and knock this out. We here. I know the car dirty, don't judge me. But we're gonna start on this side. Gotta take these alley keys off real quick. Knock this out. Alright, I got all of these off, and the problem is I got this lock bolt. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone real quick and get this goddamn lock bolt, man. See if they got one to fit this size anyway. Minor setback for a major comeback, man. Improviser, man. I use this right here to get up in there and turn it out, you know what I'm saying? I'll teach y'all something one day. When I went on the other side, I seen the other side already was out. So I was like, I gotta go buy this damn lock screw for one side. What the hell they got going on in here? That's crazy. Whole screw off. Now that's sick. Yeah, that's sick. Didn't need the other piece, but we did need this piece to get these ones off. It's different little nuts on this side than it is on the other side, but we can go ahead and knock the other side out because that's the most worst side. So we'll jump over here and knock this out right quick. We finally got the car in the air, man. We fuck with this ugly jack. So about to get the jank started. Take this good old tire off. And they say all you gotta do is knock these two pins out. One right here, one right here. So we're about to see how that go. Clips on the back side. I think the brakes came with new clips and shit. So we about to see right now. See if I can knock these janks out. Take the screwdriver, knock this jank out. Yep. Got the first one right here. It's about halfway out. We're gonna get that jank all the way out. See, it's being held by this pin. Maybe if I hold the pin, I can knock it out a little bit more. Top pin out. This jump about halfway off. Oh, let's see. Mike can get it out. Nah, I don't think we getting that out. So we're gonna hit this jank out right quick. Yep. That one was easier. We got the other one. That's the bottom one. We'll put the bottom one right there. Got the bottom one facing that way. We're gonna have the top one facing that way. So we got that out. Should be able to just pop the brakes out. We gotta press them cylinders back in. But let's see how this gonna go. Jank's tight in that motherfucker now. You can tell that one. Man, look at these damn brakes. Brakes old as shit. Old as hell. That one don't look like it got nothing. That's why they wearing this shit down right here. Gonna fuck around and need some rotors. We keep bullshit. Let's see if we can get these brakes out right quick. Gosh almighty. That's what we working with. Bare metal down there. This is what we got on the back side. Really bare metal. Got that much pad left. It's crazy. I don't even think these are the right brakes. These can't be the right brakes. This one on that side like that. Hell no, they didn't get us the wrong brakes, man. Lord. Let's see if these people open today, man. We run into this AutoZone to get the right brakes, man. I got those brakes from Napa, so I will be going back to Napa tomorrow to make sure that I get my bread back. My dudes told me to take her truck. I was supposed to take her truck the first time, but I got scared because this motherfucker on E. She talking about I can make it all the way out the other side of North on E like that. Yeah, whatever. But I already did the online pickup for these brakes. We just got to go ahead and pick them up. Alright, leaving AutoZone, man. We got the old brakes right here. And this one of the good brakes. Just wanted to line it up to see if it was the right one before we waste our time again. We got them. So, let's head back to the wet. Got this side in already. I did a little bit of struggling trying to get the things decompressed, but I wasn't recording, so I'll record when I do the other side right quick. But yeah, we got this side in. We're gonna go ahead and put these pins back in. Bottom pin in first. Let's put this top clip back in right quick. Alright, we got the pins back in. And should be good to go on this side. Put this tire back on. And I'm gonna hop on the other side. Sorry for the ugly drop. That's what's taking the time. That's gonna be the most time because I'm probably getting the car up. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this tire back on. Let's jump to this side. This is what I had to buy that special lug nut for these lugs. Go ahead and knock this side up real quick, man. This day been dragging out. A whole bunch of bullshit been coming up, but we almost done. Get that squeaky sound out the way. Oh, I ain't think of this on the other side. Alright, locked in. Okay, knock these off. Get this tire off. Good old seat. Show y'all same thing. Pins, we're gonna have to knock them jinks up. Screwdriver on that jump. Top. That's all. Get the top. And it's gonna get to the point. Pull it out. Might gotta hit it a little bit more. Mess that clip up, so I'm just come on this side, push off the brake. There we go. Slide that one out. Put that one right here. Tap the bottom one out right quick. That was easy. Bracket, 2 screws. These brakes look just as fucked up as the other side. I use a screwdriver. Pull that motherfucker out. Just as bad. Little as a bitch. Barely anything on them. Falling apart. Man, the last time these things was changed. Alright, so this is what I did. Move one side, right? Put it in there. Then we'll go to the second. Yeah. Slide that joint key.
Man, who's up here? That's what I do want to do now. Even though I know battery in it. You ain't got no battery yet?
No, I got one. I need to get it charged up. Like 244. Well, I'm gonna say 245, but it's 244, 830.
That's too big.
Yeah, you can say 244, 834. What is
Alright, I was going through some bullshit, but I got everything back together, man. Hopefully I got most of the stuff. But yeah, we're putting the jank back together now. We got hood still open. My problem was that I had the master cylinder closed, so it was building up pressure as I was pushing the jumps back. Got this one all the way back together. Tightening up everything. We'll be done in a minute, man. Turn that back on in a second. Play these janks, see how they hit, and make sure they ain't making no noise in a minute. Everything back on, back together. Take this slight ride. See if them janks still squeaking in that. It shouldn't be though. We got everything back together. Alright, we riding now. We ain't got no noise when we braking no more. Ooh. Still got that noise from that bumper though. But we ain't got no noise for the brakes, gang, so that meant we knew what we was doing. Put this video together. Sorry for the mess up in the middle of the video. Camera stopped recording. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I hope I helped somebody with the earlier gen SRT8 brembos. But yeah, we out, gang.